Alright, first problem we're going to do is a sample space problem, and we could do it with dice, cards, coins, all sorts of things. In fact, if I use die, I could use the typical, six-sided dies with spots, but I could use four-sided die or an eight-sided die, 10, 12, 20, 30, 60, or even 120. There's lots of different types of dice using maybe, but I'm going to use just some cards. In fact, I'm going to pull out 2, 3, 4, and 5 of each one. Now, what is our sample space? Well, it's all the possible outcomes for each suit. So that's literally the sample space right there, everything, except for I have a 6. So let's actually find the 5 so that we have the right sample space. There we go. All right, so there's my sample space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 of each suit. Spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds. All right, so let's look at some words that go with sample space. So we're going to create an event. Let's call this everything. We'll just call that sample space is everything. An event is a subset of the sample space. Okay? So let's say our first event is that it's a heart. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our event. Okay? That's the first event. Now the second one, let's say we have event 2. Let's say it's numbers bigger than 3. Okay? So what are the numbers bigger than 3? Well, 5 is bigger than 3. 4 is bigger than 3. Those aren't, so I set them aside. 5, 4, set them aside. 5, 4, set them aside. 5, 4, set them aside. So my event is all the cards that have 5s and 4s, right? That makes up my event. Slide those out of the way because they don't count. All right, 5s and 4s.